make sure she's properly warmed up and maybe jump the ditch or whatever, you know, make sure.
Okay.
Got ahead of the motion. Come around and do that again. Did you hear me, Arden? Stand up. Don't sit back. Stand up. Stand up. It's not this, right? It's this. He's pretty sensitive. All you got to do is stand straight up. Toes in. Toes in. Stand up. There. Now lean back, but don't let your hips get touching the saddle. Stand up. On your toes. On your toes. There, like that. On your toes. Now sit close. Steady. Don't chase. Yeah, you got to slip your reins then. All right, come to the ditch. Shorten your reins quickly. Stand up. Run the bit through his mouth. Now sit. Good. Ride forward. Ride forward. Ride forward. Did you have a change of speed? Arden! Can you hear me? Did you have a change of speed? In front of that jump, did you have a change of speed? Yes, you did. He slowed down. I want you to go, stand up and go to halt. Stand up and go to halt. Run the bit through his mouth. Keep facing your line. Okay? Canter the jump. He's not to slow down in front of that fence. Jump the jump. Do not circle while you're circling. I want you to go to the jump. Come on, instant. Look at your jump. Now go faster. Faster. Get up. I'm going to put duct tape on your mouth. Stand up and slow down. Stand on your toes. Yes. Do it again. Turn around and come the other way. If you say get up again, I will duct tape your mouth for the rest of the lesson. You ride with the other 4 natural aids. The only time I want to hear your voice is when you say whoa. Stand up. Good. Very good. Sit down. Keep the pace. Keep the pace. Don't reach up with your hands. All right? Really good in the approach. The position over the jump's not very good. Look at me. You go like this. You ever see a picture of me cross country looking like this? No. What do I look like? I look like that, right? Go be that person. One more time. Eyes up, hands stay at the withers, upper body stays open, legs stay still. Stand up and balance. Yeah! Now you got it. Leg forward. Put your foot in your stirrup iron further. Good. Stand up on your toes. She got it. Stay down a little. Stand up on your toes. Run the bit. Sit. Very good. Holy crap, who was that rider? Stand up on your toes. There you go. That's a whole new person, huh? He likes it. All right.